you don't regret what happened to you. Could have taken you down, but that's just not who you are or what you're about. You've seen the sky fall, felt the earth shake. You've seen steel shatter like glass, and you've seen heartbreak as the progress we make slips through our fingers into a fool's